quick lesson to show you how cool music theory can be. So here's a riff or an idea that you may have heard in jazz or country or blues music, and I'm thinking of this over a C dominant chord. And I usually think of this as being a C6 chord shape, half stepping down to become the parallel dominant 9. And here's how I usually have students do this. We start with just a C major bar chord, so the triad there. Flatten out that third finger so you get that A on top, which is the 6th. And then I'm gonna grab the top 3 strings with my first finger, move that down chromatically, and if you visualize correctly, you will see the C9 shape right there. So that's cool. You could think of it as 6 chords, half stepping down to become the dominant 9. But you could also think of this as being an A minor triad, half stepping down to become a G minor triad. And I think this works best with the inversions, which my students know really well. So take that concept around with C7 and then transfer it to some other keys.